yeah, hey, let it pull, babe. He wants to pull. Let it run.
Got it? Got that wheel?
Make sure you don't have slack in it as you go down, just reel. Who's up next? This one's about to pop.
Now she's on it. It's about to pop.
You like that? He's all like, God! Lindsay! Lindsay! The pro now. Hell yeah, look at that. You got the action on it.
Here you go. Here's another one right here. There's another one there. There you go. Another one. Pick it up there. There you go. Work it slowly. There you go. Quiet it up. Hold that over there.
To the right, you're good.
To the right?
Yeah.
Got it, Jeff?
Look this, Lance. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. You're on the spoon, that's three, baby.
No, don't go down. Don't go down.
Go, man.
Go sit in the corner.
Yeah, you're in timeout. You're in timeout, mother. No, don't go down.
All right, chuck him in. Bring him up front. I'll get him.
Damn.
Take him to the front.
Woo! It's in
I got you.
Hey-o!
Make the video over there. Go flip on it.
It's a birthday celebration.
Yeah, you're next.
Yeah, you're next. What's up, baby? Thought you were done. Yeah,
Oh,
right.
man.
Hey, how many is this right here?
It's like 30.
Shit, I lost count, dude.
Like 15.
No, it's not 15.
No, it is too.
No, that means we're done. We have to release one.
No, but not in there. I'm saying
I don't know, let me see.
Hey-o.
Caliente, yes, right. Okay, caliente, hurry up. You got that rope?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Damn. This is the best trip I ever had.
Right, Manny?
yeah, he's like, I can just sit back and take pictures.
Oh, yeah, I wish I could sit in front with you guys. Let Jeff drive the
You
whole
can.
damn
You
thing.
gotta give me a wheel.
Yeah, that Jeff?
Hey now, hey!
Got it? Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
FishingWithManny.com. He'll put you on a limit of redfish in no time. He'll get it done. Best guy on the lake.
Go, Manny.
Woo!
Yeah.